In front of me today, I am looking at a brand new 2026 Trailmaster. This is the 177 BH floor plan. That BH stands for bunks because you've got a great small trailer with plenty of things packed in it with the whole family, such as bunks in the rear. You've got a bed in the front, kitchen, washroom, everything you need in a small, compact, single axle travel trailer. Starting on the exterior here, it's nice and simple, no nonsense. You have a manual tongue jack in the front, manual stabilizers around the rest of the unit, and a single 20-pound propane tank on this front area. You've also got this nice diamond plating to protect the rest of the trailer from stone chips and debris coming off your towing vehicle. Looking at this nose area here, you've got a great pass-through storage area with proper storage room. Not only do you have a straight shot to the other side, but it does dip in here farther to give you even more room to pack in all of your outdoor belongings like camp chairs, coolers, fire pokers, fishing rods, everything you can imagine. Plenty of storage still within this smaller floor plan. Looking at this side, you almost have a full-length awning, so you're going to have a powered awning on the exterior, perfect for nice sunny days where you need a little bit more shade, or if you got a little bit of rain coming down, it's going to block you from that as well. Walking over to the rear, you're going to see you have those manual stabilizers right on the corners here to give you maximum stability for this smaller trailer. You also have your tire mounted on the rear for your spare, and you've got your bumper there where you can store your sewer hose. Nothing too exciting on this side since there is no slide outs on this floor plan, but nonetheless we'll walk over here and show off. You've got this great brand new look to the Trailmasters here with this little bit of a gunmetal gray for the tin outside. You've got a nice window there as well, and this is a bunk setup, so they are going to be kind and give you some windows here for the bunks so you don't feel like you're sleeping in such a dark corner. Stepping onto the interior of this trailer is really where it's going to shine, because although it is one of the smaller floor plans for a Trailmaster, you get tons of stuff packed onto the inside. First things first, you've got a bed there right at the nose of the trailer. Very easy to use. Nice large area here for sleeping. You've got storage up above, and for your convenience you also have a wardrobe closet there too, where you can properly hang your clothes and not live out of a suitcase. You've got a great tabletop area right beside these plugs, so if you're the type of person who needs to be charging your phone overnight because you're taking loads of pictures while you're camping, you're going to have a 5-volt USB-A and USB-C receptacle. That's going to be ideal for charging your portable devices quickly and efficiently. Right beside it, you're going to have your 110-volt receptacle. That's going to be great for alarm clocks, CPAP machines. If you need more portable devices than those USB ports, that's going to be a great area. Not only is that convenient being right beside the bed, but it's also right beside the door. So if you don't want to track your muddy boots throughout this trailer, you can keep things right on that tabletop, like your phone charging inside, sunglasses, sunscreen, easily accessible at the door. Right above that, you're going to have your TV backer location. That's where you're going to be able to put your entertainment, put your TV up there, and conveniently right above, you've got your connections for your TV and for your power for it. Flipping over to this side, you've got a dinette right here in the middle of the trailer, conveniently parked right beside this window. When you're not in an RV dealership like we are today, you're going to have the beautiful views of the nature around you. This dinette is a great option because not only if you're using this as a small family where you've got maybe mom and dad sleeping there in the big bed, you've got some kids sleeping there, you've got plenty of room for the four of you to still sit down, have meals, play card games. But if you are pushing your family a little bit larger than those 4 people, or you have extra guests along, or you've got a furry friend that likes to sleep on a flat area, this is going to convert to an extra sleeping spot as well. This table is going to drop down on these nice large bumpers. These cushions will come over, and now you have a great sleeping alcove for an extra body. Up above, you've got storage, and I'm always a fan of seeing storage like this, where you have things you can pack away off to the side. Tupperwares, pots, pans, anything like that you can pack off to the side. I know my wife is a big fan of hiding the mess of things you've brought along with you, but I'm a big fan of having spots like this. They give you a little bit tiny of a lip here, so things are going to be sliding off, but this can be a quick access area, whether it's paper towels, extra hats, extra windbreakers, stuff like that. It's quick and easily accessible where you can come and go and grab it. Right behind me, sticking with the idea of storage, just like you would have at home, you've got storage compartments up above. Nice large space, no dividers in between, so you can really pack in all the appliances or things you want to bring with you. You've got a great little sink here, as well as a 2-burner stovetop and a microwave. Plenty of meal options. You don't really have to get too creative, but plenty of things you can do with a 2-burner stovetop and a microwave. Plus, you're going to be camping with the outdoors and that great fire, so you've got lots of options here. With these newer models, you're going to have some nicer features, such as a full electric fridge right here. You've got these great little built-ins here for keeping your cans cold, all your condiments, exactly the type of fridge you need while you're camping. In the rear, we're going to have a washroom. So you've got a great washroom here. This is fantastic for if you have kids, because you actually do get a tub down here. Some trailers, you don't really have that tub option, and you don't really think about it until you get to your destination. You got to wash off the dog, or you got little kids that actually need to bath rather than shower. You're going to have that flexibility in this floor plan. You also have your toilet right there, and when we close off this door, you're going to see the access to the bunks. So each bunk has their own light. If I can push this one on here, you've got your own lighting. You've got this great window there with your emergency exit, and up above, same story, you've got your LED puck lighting and another bunk there too. If you've got kids, grandkids, this is a great setup, but if not, or if you don't have them all the time, think about all the storage you're getting here. All of the totes you can fit in these two areas, as well as underneath. You're really going to have tons of flexibility in a great trailer like this. You've got that small floor plan, so you're not rocking with a 30-foot trailer behind you, but you could still fit if you needed to. 1, 2, 3 to 4, 5 to 6. You can pack all the people in here you need. If you really want to see everything else this trailer has to offer, other floor plans that we have for the Trail Masters, or even other makes and models, come on down and check all these trailers out at Longhaul Trailers in Listowel.